In the coral reefs, vibrant with life, the pufferfish stands out not for its hunting prowess, but for its remarkable defense mechanism. This seemingly docile creature harbors a deadly secret within its unassuming exterior. Tetrodotoxin, a potent neurotoxin 1,200 times more lethal than cyanide, courses through the pufferfish's body. When threatened, the pufferfish inflates its body, transforming itself into a larger, more intimidating adversary. This display, coupled with the knowledge of its deadly toxin, is often enough to deter even the most determined predator.